This is a variation on the last one that we did. It says how many grams of oxygen react with 5.12 grams of hydrogen. So I know that my starting point is 5.12 grams of hydrogen. It's the only number in the problem, so it has to be my starting point for solving this problem. And I'm asked for grams of something else. So this is going to be very similar to the last problem that we did. I turn my grams into moles using the molar mass. Then I turn my moles of hydrogen into moles of oxygen. And we can think of it this way. For every 2 moles of hydrogen reacted, where I don't usually write the reacted, but I want to make the point that for every 2 moles of hydrogen reacted, 1 mole of oxygen reacts. Or reacted. And that's fine because there is a relationship of 2 to 1 between the moles reacted, just like there's a relationship between the moles reacted and the moles produced. And again, I don't usually write the reacted part, but I just want you to know that, like, if we think of this reaction in terms of English, like one of the previous problems that we solved and in the lecture outlines, we can come back to this. 2 moles of hydrogen react with 1 mole of oxygen to produce 2 moles of H2O. And this sort of statement fits right in there. And then we know that we want grams of oxygen. So we'll go from moles of oxygen using the molar mass to grams of oxygen. And again, take the number that you're starting with, divide by numbers on the bottom, multiply by numbers on the top. And to solve this one, I get 5.12 divided by 2.016 divided by 2 times 32, and I get 40.6 as my number. And then my units have to be grams of oxygen because all my other units cancel out. And technically, we can cancel out our reacted there. Or actually, we don't usually write this because sometimes it's moles reacted and sometimes it's moles produced. And so that word doesn't cancel, even though in our process it does. Any questions about this one?